Tennessee Emergency Management Agency now working with county partners to brace for potential impacts right here at home. Let's go to Alicia Wimberly. She's at the WKRN.com alert desk with what they had to say when it comes to safety concerns with the storm. Alicia?
Yeah, Mark, TEMA is monitoring the situation over the next few hours. They have gone to a level 4, which is a higher level for risk watch. TEMA officials say wind will pick up overnight tomorrow and during the day, so expect pretty significant winds across much of the state tomorrow. The remnants of this storm are expected to linger across Tennessee for most of the weekend. Wind damage to power lines, Danielle was talking about that earlier, and the possibility of localized flooding are all possible. With the heavy rainfall comes flash flooding. Overnight tonight, the flash flooding risk all the way up to Johnson City is the biggest immediate concerns with impact.
If you know your home floods, this would be a great time to make other arrangements for tonight. Tomorrow, again, more of the same with flooding and then wind over large parts of the area. So paying attention to power outages and what that might bring.
You heard them say it themselves. TEMA officials pointed out if you know your home floods, don't rule out making other arrangements tonight as the storm comes in. Mark.